Welcome trainees. Today, we are going to discuss about part 2 in week number 29. In week number 29, we are going to discuss about the topics of simple scraper and scraped surfaces. In part 1, we are completed simple scraper. In part 2, we are going to discuss about scraped surfaces. Let's see the objectives of this topic. You shall be able to state the necessity of scraping surfaces, originate flat scraped surfaces by the three-plate method, scrape and test curved surfaces. And next, we are going to discuss about necessity of scraping surface. Scrapers are used to correct slight errors on all flat or curved surfaces that must be finished more decorately. Scraping is used to produce a high degree of fit between two flat or two curved surfaces, particularly where the surfaces can rub together in use. After a surface is filed or machined as accurately as possible, it can be further improved by rough scraping, after which finished scraping is employed. Finished scraping is used to remove minute amount of material. And then, we are going to see originating true flat surfaces by three-plate method, is also known as Whitworth principle. It is easy to say that it is scraped, but how does one know where to take off the high points? If three plates are compared with one another in alternate pairs, they will only mate perfectly in all positions when they are absolutely flat. File and ensure that all the three plates are finished to size and square. Stamp the plates X, Y, and Z with a letter punch. Apply a very thin uniform coating of Prussian blue on the faces of plates X and Y, which are to be scrapped. Keep both the pieces together and rub the plates back and forth against each other. Observe the high spots on the plates X and Y, remove by scraping. Clean the faces with knitted cotton cloth. Rub with an oilstone gently to remove the buzz, and again clean with knitted cotton cloth. Repeat the same procedure till both the faces are mating with good bearing surfaces. Apply a very thin uniform coating or Prussian blue on the face of the plate Z, which is to be scraped. Keep the faces of the plates X and Z together and rub the plates back and forth against each other. Observe the high spots on the plate Z and remove by scraping. Repeat the same procedure till both the faces of the plates X and Z are mating with good. Repeat the procedure till the faces of plates Y and Z are mating with good bearing surfaces. Repeat the cycle a number of times till interchangeable, flat, good bearing surfaces are achieved. Clean all the plates with kerosene. Use knitted cotton cloth for cleaning. A good bearing surface is achieved when 5 to 10 points are visible and uniformly distributed per centimeter square on the workpiece surfaces after finishing. And last, we are going to discuss about scraping curved surfaces. A half-round scraper is the most suitable scraper for scraping curved surfaces. This method of scraping differs from that of flat scraping. Let's see the method of scraping curved surfaces. For scraping curved surfaces, the handle is held by hand in such a way as to facilitate the movement of the scraper in the required direction. Pressure is exerted with other hand on the shank for cutting. Rough scraping will need excessive pressure with longer strokes. For fine scraping, pressure is reduced, and the stroke length also becomes shorter. Cutting action takes place both on forward and return strokes. During the forward movement, one cutting edge acts, and on the return stroke, the other cutting edge acts. After each pass, change the direction of cutting. This ensures a uniform surface. Use a master bar to check the correctness of the surface being scraped. Apply a thin coating of Prussian blue on the master bar to locate the high spots. To boost your brain power, we are going to play one quiz related to this topic. The question is, what is the name of the pigment applied on the face of the plates to observe high spots? The options are A. Prussian green, B. Prussian blue, C. Prussian yellow, D. Prussian white. Yes, you are right. The answer is B. Prussian blue. With these, we are completed the topic of scraped surfaces of part 2, week number 29. We are successfully completed the part 1 and part 2 topics in week number 29. I will be back with new interesting topics in other videos. Thank you.